Hi friends, today's recipe is butter chicken gravy. So ingredients: chicken 300 grams, onion 2 medium size, tomatoes 3 large size, butter 3 tablespoons, oil, ginger garlic paste, Kashmiri chilies 2, chili powder, garam masala powder, coriander powder, salt, cumin powder, lemon juice, curd, turmeric, cashew nuts 10 number, fresh cream, water, for garnishing coriander leaves and kasturi methi. So let's start now. So if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon. So these are the ingredients for to marinate the chicken. These are the ingredients for the curry base. And these three are for garnishing. So let's start now. So to start with, turmeric, add half teaspoon. And then add chili powder 1 teaspoon. It's better if you had Kashmiri chili powder, it will have good flavor. And next add garam masala half teaspoon. And then add ginger garlic paste 1 teaspoon and curd 3 teaspoons. Try to get a thicker curd. Now add lemon juice of half teaspoon. And now for the flavor and taste, add salt half teaspoon. Now mix all the ingredients with the chicken well so that we get an even base. ஸோ இப்போ நல்லா மிக்சர் நல்லா சிக்கன் கூட நல்லா கலந்துருச்சு. ஸோ இப்போ we can marinate it for 40 minutes. So keep it aside. So 40 minutesக்கு அப்புறமா switch on the flame, keep a pan and now add a 2 tablespoon of oil so that we are going to cook the 300 grams of chicken mixture. ஸோ இதை நல்லா குக் பண்ணி நம்ம ஃப்ரை பண்ணி வச்சுக்க போகிறோம். So this will be added at the gravy which we are going to make after this. Now you can see the chicken has started losing its water. So now close the lid and wait for 5 minutes. Now you can see the chicken is cooked well, so keep it aside. Now for curry base, switch on the flame and keep a pan. Now add 1 tablespoon of butter and 2 tablespoons of oil. Now add the chopped onions. So make sure that the onions are finely chopped. So keep stirring it. Actually, this recipe is a very simple and a very delicious one, so you can try it out easily. So you have to keep stirring it until the onion turns golden brown. So now it's the time to add the ginger garlic paste. So add almost around 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Now you can see the onions have turned golden brown. So it's the right time to add tomatoes now. So I have roughly chopped 3 large tomatoes. So add it and keep cooking. Now the tomatoes are cooked well. So now add the Kashmiri chilies. So now we are not going to add chili powder here. So it's better you add 2 Kashmiri chili. So first comes the garam masala powder. Add 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder. And next comes the cumin powder. Again add 1 teaspoon. Now take coriander powder and add half teaspoon. And start stirring. Now is the time to add salt. So add around 1 teaspoon of salt to it. So you can add salt as per your taste. Now please add around 4 to 5 tablespoons of water so that the tomatoes and the mixture can cook well. Now close the lid and wait for 5 minutes so that all the tomatoes and the mixtures get cooked. And now it's the time to add cashew nuts. So it's better if you break and add the cashews so that it's easy for us to grind it. Cool and transfer it to the mixie jar and grind it well. Now take a pan, add 2 tablespoons of butter to it. Now add 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri chili powder and cook. Both the butter and the chili powder gets cooked well. So now add the curry base mixture. So you can keep the flame at the low level while doing this. Now you can add water to the mixie jar. So you can add almost half cup of water to it. So it's based upon your wish. So if you want a gravy to be very thick in consistency, add half cup. If you want it to be little watery, so you can add around 1 cup of water to it. Make sure that the flame is at the low level. Now it's the time to add the cooked chicken. Ensure that the flame is at the low level. And evenly spread the chicken with the curry base. This looks really delicious and very tasty. So you can get a restaurant style butter chicken gravy in this way. Now place the lid and wait for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, open the lid and just stir it out to check whether the chicken is cooked evenly. Now add a fresh cream. So you can add fresh cream according to your wish. I'm just adding around 4 to 5 teaspoons of fresh cream. So if you want to add a little bit more than this, you can add. Now switch off the flame. Now it's a time to finally garnish the dish. So add kasturi methi. It's optional. If you don't have kasturi methi leaves, it's okay. So you can garnish it with coriander leaves. But kasturi methi will give a good flavor to it. Finally garnish it with the coriander leaves. So this makes our mixture look great. So we have almost completed our butter chicken gravy. So now it's a time to taste the recipe. So such a simple, delicious restaurant style butter chicken gravy is ready. So you can try it with roti or chapati, or even you can try it with biryani too. So take a serving bowl, add your butter chicken gravy and enjoy it with your family. So you can add fresh cream on top of it so that you can decorate your butter chicken gravy. It's optional. Now you can garnish it with the coriander leaves too, so that your final butter chicken gravy recipe looks delicious and pretty. Tantanine! Our restaurant style butter chicken gravy is ready, so please try this at home.